This is Marissa again with Design by Geeks and Rissa Rocks It. This elf suit gift card holder is so cute and perfect for your holiday gift giving. I'll put the link in the video description and stick around and I'll show you how easy it is to make. First, cut out all of your pieces out of cardstock. Next, we're going to pre-fold the holder along the score lines. Then we're going to glue along these tabs. And fold it together. Next, we're going to glue these stripes to the bottom of the front. The next step is to glue the tunic to the top. I'm going to take away this green background so you can see it a little better. And now we're going to add the collar to the top. And just center that on the top. Our next step is we're going to take our belt piece and our buckle piece, and we're going to slide the belt through the buckle. And we can center that, just eyeball that. And now we're going to glue the belt and buckle to the tunic, and you just want to make sure you're going to leave enough room for the button, so kind of a little bit on the lower half of the tunic. So I like it right about there. Just eyeball it where you think it looks good, as long as you're leaving room for the little button. And then last, the button. Now, once that's dry, you just slide a gift card into the sleeve on the back, and you're finished. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas! We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.